In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Loox subscription on Shopify. We'll walk through the exact steps inside your Shopify admin so you can remove the Loox app and stop any future charges. Even if you're not very technical, just follow along and you'll be able to do this in a couple of minutes. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard using your usual store credentials. Once you're on the main admin homepage, look toward the lower left-hand corner of the screen. You'll see a menu item labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This opens a new page with a panel on the left side that lists different settings for your store. In that left panel, look for the option called Apps and click it. This is where Shopify shows all the apps that are currently installed on your store. After the apps page loads, you'll see a list of all the apps you've downloaded or connected to your Shopify store. Scroll through this list and find Loox. When you see the Loox app in the list, click on it to open the app's details page. This is the area where you can manage settings for that specific app, including uninstalling it. On the Loox details page, scroll all the way down to the bottom. In the lower left corner, you should see a red button labeled Uninstall App. Because this action can't be undone easily, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct app. When you're ready, click the Uninstall App button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. This pop-up explains that you'll no longer be able to use the app and that any associated discounts from Loox will be removed. It also notes that a request will be sent to the app developer, usually within about 48 hours, to delete any personal customer information tied to the app. In this pop-up, you may see a field where you can optionally add a reason for uninstalling. You can either select a reason or simply leave it blank if you prefer. To finalize the process, look to the lower right corner of the pop-up and click the Uninstall button. Once you confirm, Shopify will remove the Loox app from your store. By uninstalling Loox through Shopify in this way, you effectively cancel the Loox subscription and stop any future app charges billed through Shopify. For third-party apps like Loox, removing the app is the primary way Shopify treats a subscription as cancelled.